Alright guys, doing this walk around of the 2019 Audi Q8. I wanted to say Q9 for a second. Things are so ahead of its time. You can see where Audi brought in that coupe-like design. This is a prestige model. So that distinctive lighting. This one isn't the year one package, so this is how the grille is going to look on the US spec cars. It's going to be body matched. This one here is in the Galaxy Blue. This is definitely going to set the standard for the Audi SUV. This one does have the luxury package interior, so it does offer the massage. I really like how Audi did the door without the pillars, just looks amazing. Dual pane glass all the way around with the Alcantara suede. Full auto windows all the way around, seat memory even on the passenger side. Audi's new MMI controls. There's all the adjustments. The upgraded leather feels nice. All the adjustments for the seats, including the massage. You can adjust intensity. Full Alcantara headliner. That panel looks very similar to previous Audi models, including the Q5. I think Audi really did a killer job with that back end. I love the continuous taillight. Q8. Ask for Ryan at Audi Concord. Show you a little bit more. This one's equipped with the air suspension as well, and the four-wheel steering. So you can adjust it as much as 10 inches in off-road mode. It does sit nice and low, but still has a beefy appearance up front. Cargo capacity, for reference, has the crossbars there. Fit sideways. They cannot fit in a Q5 like that, and there's still room on each side. Privacy tray is nice. Clips in place there. This one does have the upgraded Bang & Olufsen. Gotta love those Audi beam rings too. The Bang & Olufsen is a nice touch. How they rise out of the dash. I love the new instrument panel. I love how you can adjust the haptic feedback. Make it feel more like an iPhone if you turn the haptic feedback off. Just this new silver titanium. You get a lot of fingerprints there. That Quattro, just like how Audi's doing those new dashboards, super sleek. Virtual cockpit looks super nice. Steering wheel controls, as always, well done Audi. Ambient lighting in the Q8 is definitely something special, especially on the Prestige.